Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the left pantry rail support in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a 90-degree pick. Your first step is to remove all 4 glass shelves by lifting the front of each shelf up, then detach the bracket tabs from the shelf support to remove. Next, pull the platter shelf forward and lift the platter shelf glass up from underneath to remove. Open both crisper drawers, reach in, and push the crisper cover glass up and forward from underneath. Close the drawers and remove the glass. Now fully uninstall both crisper drawers by pulling them forward, then hold the side support brackets as you push the drawers back to fully detach. You can now lift up the entire platter shelf and crisper cover assembly and pull forward to remove. Next, lift up the front of the left crisper drawer glide assembly and pull forward to remove. Do the same to remove the right crisper drawer glide assembly. Open the pantry drawer and lift up the pantry cover glass from underneath to unseat it, then remove. Pull the drawer forward, then hold the side rails as you push the drawer back and lift up to remove. Lift up the rear of the pantry cover glass frame and pull back to remove. Use the 90-degree pick to help pry the retaining tabs out to detach the left and right pantry rail support trim pieces. Now remove the support bar and lift off the pantry front cover assembly. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, unthread the rail support mounting screw. You can now lift the pantry rail support up and pull forward to remove. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws to release the slide rail. You're now ready to prepare the new pantry rail support for installation. Align the slide rail and thread the 2 screws to secure it. Now position the rail support's rear notch on the liner's rear mounting post, then lower the front of the support onto the front mounting post. Thread and tighten the mounting screw. Reinstall the pantry front cover assembly by inserting the cover tabs into the slots in the rail supports. Realign the support bar on the rear of the assembly. Align and snap the left and right trim pieces into place. Reinstall the pantry cover glass frame by first aligning the damper arm with the slider control, then set the rear of the frame into place. Confirm the pantry drawer side rails are pulled out. Then insert the support bracket tabs into the slots in the side channels of the drawer and push the drawer in. Set the pantry cover glass into the frame. Now reinstall both the left and right crisper glide assemblies by aligning them on the liner's rear mounting posts first, then lower them onto the front mounting posts. Fully reposition the platter shelf and crisper cover assembly in the refrigerator. To reinstall the crisper drawers, pull the slide rails out, then insert the support bracket tabs into the slots in the side channels of the drawers and push the drawers in. Reinsert the crisper cover glass in the space between the platter shelf and crisper cover and push back until the glass is fully seated in the cover. Realign the platter shelf glass in the frame. Finally, reinstall the glass shelves by hooking the upper bracket tabs into the appropriate slots in the shelf support. Then lower the front of the shelves.